Easy steps to achieve IELTS success. The purpose of this video instruction is to help you to take preparation independently. I am Rayhan, Cambridge CELTA Delta certified and London Teacher Training College certified IELTS trainer, and the British Council Bangladesh validated trainer is welcoming you to this wonderful video. Are you preparing for IELTS alone? Follow these steps. Test your level of English like B1, B2 or C1. If you want to start IELTS, my first advice is to test your level of English under CEF level like B1, B2, C1 so that you can identify your weakness. Make a plan. Treat the IELTS like any other exam. For this tedious and challenging journey, you need to make your best plan that will work for you, and you must adhere to it till the last day of your IELTS preparation. For this, you can consult with an expert or any person who has recently achieved at least 7 pass. Find a study partner. Languages should not be learned in isolation. You need to find a study partner who is just as serious, dedicated and committed like you. If you try to improve your language skills alone, it will be very challenging and sometimes frustrating too, because you need to practice everything with your partner. Collaboration is very important in language learning. Look at real exam papers. Collect some previous exam papers and try to go through them individually and try to find the difficulty level of the questions. This analysis will give you an opportunity to be acquainted with the questions papers, and you can come to a decision on how to proceed effectively. Use your skills in the real world. After a few days, when you are acquainted with the exam system of IELTS, you must try to use your acquainted skills to apply in the real world. That is, practice them with new friends in a new environment. Stay healthy. IELTS preparation is challenging and frustrating too. So, you need to keep yourself fit so that you can work hard. In order to do this, exercise regularly. Hang out with friends and engage yourself with some sort of entertainment. These will boost your energy. Remember this proverb: all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Make studying interesting. Make your study interesting to enjoy your learning. If you do not enjoy your study, you will feel frustrated and want to give up. So enjoy as much as you can what you do. Visualize what you want in life. Imagine your success in life. Visualize yourself on the peak of your success. Think that this IELTS result can help you to reach to your desired destination. And for this reason, you need to work hard. Study target oriented. Whatever you study, you must have a target. Without target study, your progress will be definitely slow. Sit for mock test. When you are ready or fit for the final test, you must test yourself through mock tests. You can do it alone or go to a standard center who are experts in conducting mock tests. Do not sit for the test continuously. Keep a gap in between the tests. Address your weakness. In the mock test, you might cut a good figure in a module or cut a sorry figure in other modules. So, after getting the mock test result, work on your strengths and weaknesses. Register for IELTS. When you have finished your mock tests, register for a final IELTS test either with the British Council or IDP. Make a countdown calendar. Mock test is not the final test. Now you have final test date in your hand. So make a countdown calendar for 2 to 3 weeks, depending on your final test date, and continue your full practice. You must keep your test records to see your progress. Attend the final exam. On the final day, go to the center early with all the required things that has been advised or suggested by the British Council or IDP. Do not take any unnecessary things with you. Get your result. You will receive your result after 2 weeks. You can check your result online or you can contact British Council or IDP. They will also send you email with your result. Your result is valid for 2 years. Fly to your dream university or country. And by this time you have completed your preparation for the university or your desired destination country. Fly happily and land in your dream university or country. Please like, share and comment.